I went from thinking it was never going to happen for me to quitting my job, growing my business, and making the most money I've ever made in my life without working hard for it. Making money for women is so easy that it's sickening. That once you see it, you can't unsee it, and you'll begin to elevate your life instantly. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how to actually make money as a woman in 2026, because we are all winning. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Let me know in the comments if you know what movie that's from. 99% of women will never be wealthy because they listen to this hustle bro advice and think that making money is this complicated and difficult thing to do. If I was to say, as a woman, you could be making 10k, 30k, 50k a month, the first thing that you would say is, well, that's impossible. And the second thing you might think is, well, how do I do it? Both are completely wrong responses because they're led by masculine responses of evidence and proof. Where you're calculating, well, if I'm making 20k, what's my yearly salary going to be? What kind of business do I need to have? What should I be selling? How long is it going to take me for me to get to that point where I'm making that kind of money? Or where are these examples of these women who are making this money who aren't born into wealth or aren't teaching people how to start a business or make money? If this was your thought process, then congratulations, you're in the right place. The first thing you want to do if you want to make money as a woman in 2026 is to lean into your feminine privilege. Saw a comment on one of my recent videos that said, you're beautiful, and it's easy to believe what you say because you effortlessly exude that energy. First of all, thank you, but I smiled when I read that because making money is energetic. You have to make people feel something, whether you want to get the job, whether you want to sell something, or whether you want people to buy into you. And the gag is, every woman can have access to it if they tap into it. The Bible said, therefore wash yourself, put on perfume, and put on your best garments. A lot of women see their looks and appearance as something that's reserved for getting a man or acquiring some kind of superficial gain, when your looks are an investment into yourself. They're an investment to the type of opportunities that you attract, to the type of money that you can attract, the type of clients that you attract, and the type of life that you want. It's scientifically proven. It's called the halo effect, where attractive people are seen to be more competent, more trustworthy, more intelligent. It's like when rich people get preferential treatment at hotels or restaurants. They get the best rooms, the best seat at the table, or even a free meal or stay. It's because their wealth creates perceived value. And that's the same thing when it comes to your looks as a woman. And I'm not talking about only women who have model level beauty, only women who meet societal beauty standards, only women who are younger. All you have to do is elevate your appearance. Make sure your hair is always put together, keep your makeup simple, have a skincare routine, dress with class, have a signature scent, walk with elegance, speak with conviction. So by the time you start a business or start creating content online, 80% of the work would already been done for you. Your feminine privilege lies in the way that you look and how you carry yourself. And that's why I'm always saying, if you're pretty, you need to start a business. If you're beautiful, you need to be on social media, because as a woman, that is your unfair advantage that's going to set you apart from most people. The way you look communicates how you see yourself and how you feel about yourself, and has a direct impact on how people perceive you, treat you, and pay you. The next way to make money as a woman in 2026 is to fix your money posture. And if you don't know what your relationship with money is, I'll put the quiz down below. My relationship with money used to be the celebrity. I was overspending, over-consuming, always in the new in section, buying the most expensive designer handbags. Because my thought process was there wasn't a lot of money to go around. But every single time I had money, I would spend all of it before it got taken away by bills, responsibilities, and life, which meant I was always in the minus. When I would see wealthy women and their abundant lifestyle, I would say, well, that could never be me. Things like that don't happen to somebody like me. I just need to survive. I just need to get by, which meant that I was in this perpetual cycle of working hard, still being broke, living paycheck to paycheck, until I changed my relationship and my posture with money. That there is plenty of money to go around. That abundance was my birthright. That if she can have it and she can have it, then so can I. That I was designed deserving of having money, that money flows to me easily. I'm the type of woman who gets to have financial abundance. You have to align how you see money with who you are, your values, your energy, your goals. You have to allow yourself to desire more without having to justify it, to be more open to opportunities, to notice when you reject gifts, help, or even compliments. You have to practice saying yes please without the shame of accepting help. The next way to actually make money as a woman in 2026 is to leverage your value. Don't let anybody lie to you. Women are better entrepreneurs than men. According to the Boston Consulting Group, women founded of startups make more than twice as much in revenue than male founders. That's because feminine energy is currency, and we actually create products that solve real world problems. As women, we are nurturers, we are maternal, we're constantly pouring into other people, our family, our children, even our jobs, which is actually the secret weapon of any successful business. Making money is about servitude. It's about knowing somebody's problem and providing a solution to that problem. So if you want to make money as a woman, all you have to do is pour that feminine energy that's already inside of you into helping other people. Whether it's hyperpigmentation, low confidence, low income, or even personal style, the question shouldn't be, how should I make money? It's, how should I serve? A lot of women worry about the wrong things. I don't know what I'm good at. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to sell. Why would anyone buy anything from me? Leverage what you're good at, the skill that you probably take for granted, the hobby that you love. Leverage who you are and how you think and turn that into a solution for somebody's problem. That's how you get paid to exist, and not how many hours you work. The next thing you want to do if you want to actually make money as a woman in 2026 is to be seen. I have been able to build a community of over 180,000 people across platforms and leverage that into attracting 4 to 5 figure brand deals, working with some of the most biggest brands in the industry. I've been invited to speak and share my unique perspectives on stage and on podcasts. I've built a feminine business that helps women get paid to exist, and I've had amazing experiences courtesy of some of my favorite brands, all because I have the audacity to be visible. One of the most common questions that I get is, how do I get over the cringe of being visible and posting online? Truth is, you don't. I'm an introvert and I would rather live off the grid. But then I remember I get paid my yearly salary in a month. I only have to work less than 10 hours a week. That eases the cringe significantly. Visibility is currency and it attracts opportunities. Whether you already have a business, whether you want to start a business, whether you have a career, whether you have a skill and you want to be a freelancer, whether you want to be a content creator, times are changing. The traditional way of making money is not what's going to make you wealthy in 2026. You need to step outside of your comfort zone. Learn new skills like public speaking, speaking in front of a camera, editing, filming, marketing. And the first step is visibility. The more you show up, the more confident you feel. The more confident you feel, the more of an audience you will attract. And the more audience you attract, the more they will tell you what they want to see from you, or even what they want to buy from you. You already have an audience who are willing to buy into you and whatever you're selling. The next way to actually make money as a woman in 2026 is to become money. Money attracts money, so if you don't have it, become it. When I handed in my resignation during my maternity leave, broke, in debt, no savings, I was lost and I didn't know where I was gonna start until I came onto YouTube, and the first video that was recommended to me was R.C. Blake, The Mindset of a True Queen. And that video taught me that before I could figure out how I was going to make the money, I had to work on me first. So I went to therapy, isolated myself, worked on my mindset, completely divorced my old identity, and started becoming the woman of my dreams. It was with then shifting my identity that I started my femininity journey, and I discovered how to leverage my femininity to attract opportunities and money. And that became my value asset. It's from sharing my story and unique perspectives online that grew my platforms, that allowed me to acquire new skills like filming, editing, marketing, sales, how to make a website, how to build an email list, how to create a sales funnel. And those are some of the skills that I teach some of my clients. I've had the privilege of attending networking events and building connections with other content creators and other female founders. Becoming money means becoming a valuable asset, relentlessly acquiring knowledge, building connection. People who are 10 steps or even just 2 steps behind you are willing to have access to the knowledge that you have now, to know the exact steps that you took. Your experience is somebody else's roadmap, and they're willing to pay you to have access to it. And if you want to know why making money is so easy for women, make sure you watch this video. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and money. Subscribe to the channel. I will see you back here in the next video. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.